Hi, I'm Leona Charles from SBC Business Consulting, and what I'm pitching today is a Southern Maryland incubator. The reason I want to do this is because in my everyday job, I am an efficiency consultant, and I go from business to business, and I look at all the things that people are not taught about running a business. And I see that these one thing can make such a big difference in their business. It can make the difference between whether they make revenue this month or whether they have to close the doors. So this incubator, I want to be in depth. And I want it to stop the wave of people leaving Charles County to go into DC to work. We have such a wealth of information and such a strong base of specialized skills here. Why are they leaving to go to DC and doing this hour-and-a-half commute when all this information is here? We have strong colleges. We have a great entrepreneurial background here. We have a great system of work here. Why should we not have this opportunity here? And that's what I want to do. I want to have an incubator that creates a legal context, that creates a business accounting opportunity. I want to create an incubator that has marketing plans available to them, who has consulting plans available to them. I want to create a CEO advisory table that meets with each entrepreneur client at least once a month to get on track. Where are they going in 5 years? And then I want them, as much as I love them, I want them to leave the incubator, and I want them to go on and be just wildly successful. Because I do this every day, I know sometimes it's just that little tweak, that one thing that you change that says, hey, why don't you do this instead of that? And instead of making your clients come to you, why don't you send out an email blast that tells them when, what day and what time you're going to contact them? It's just that one little thing that makes the difference between you being wildly successful and closing your doors. And that opportunity shouldn't be 2 hours away, 3 hours away. It should be right here. And then we can bring all of these big boys, Boeing and Booz Allen and Deloitte, here instead of having to go to DC for them. They should come to us because we have this amazing, amazing pool of talent. And we have this next generation of workers who are so comfortable with technology. Everything is instantaneous, and they can teach kind of old dogs like me how to do these new things and how to work with these companies. And we have this global market now that's at your fingertips that we're missing, and it's slipping through our fingers because everyone's commuting out. So we want people here, and I have a vested interest because I live here and I work here and I raise my kids here. And I would like to not have to drive 2 hours for a business opportunity. I would like to be able to drive 20 minutes up the street and say, hey, I've got a group of people in town that can do this just as well as some big five firm, in DC. Everybody has the same skills, it's the same level of professionalism. They're all here and they're all ready to work. And I want to see this place grow because this is my home and I love it. I love it, and I think that there's nothing better than building the place you live.